So Ava is about 13 years old now. So you previously adjust her. You said that you noticed signs of scoliosis. So we have that going on.
Scoliosis. I should bring that leg forward. Watch it. There you go. Ooh.
That was a loud pop.
That's a loud pop for a little dog. I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. So look, we have Ava back. Hi Ava, good to see you. So Ava's a Yorkie.
Yes.
What do we know about Ava?
So Ava is about 13 years old now, so she's very old. When you previously adjust her, you said that you noticed signs of scoliosis, so we have that going on.
Scoliosis. Sorry, I wasn't making fun of you. I was just saying. That's what I observed.
Yep.
And Jennifer and I have done a lot of videos together. Do you know how many we've done all together? Probably over 30.
Of all of our, yeah, probably.
Yeah, I have to look and see. There's a playlist that we did together. So a lot of videos.
Yep.
And Ava we've seen a few times, and so beautiful and so gentle and really fragile too. So we have to work totally different with Ava.
Yeah.
And if you've seen us do any of the Nugget videos, Nugget's very muscular, a different body type, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna just do a quick little checkup on you. It's not gonna take long because you're a little thing. And mainly, I just wanted to ask if I could work with you. Do you think it'd be okay if I do just a little checkup on you? Is it okay if I work with Ava today?
Of course.
Hey Ava. Okay, let's do some stuff. Okay, so you can just sit right there. And I'm going to be up here at your atlas, really soft. And a little bit in there. There we go. I have this online course called How to Massage Your Dog. And we work in this, it's a 3.5-hour course, 15 chapters where I take people through the head, neck, back, legs, front legs, back legs. I teach muscle anatomy, spinal anatomy. But I also give examples of dogs from a teacup dog all the way up to a Great Dane. And like right now I'm into the neck. I'm rolling the thumbs. I'm doing a little petrissage, and here's some effleurage, which is longer strokes. And then circular strokes in a smaller area is your petrissage. And coming down, and there's that muscle knot right there. So I'm going to just press that down a little bit. And there's actually a misalignment there. It's a little compressed. So I'm going to come in. Ava, is it okay if I get this one for you? What do you think? It's right there. So right now I'm on C3. 1, 2, 3. And laterally flex a little bit. Ooh.
That was a loud pop.
That's a loud pop for a little dog. How is it? How do you feel now? You gonna vomit?
You should have run away.
Where you going, Ava?
She's not
Did you
coming.
hear that crack?
That was huge.
That was a
And then
lot.
she's like, I'm out of here.
She's like, but she did her shake.
Yeah, she did.
Let's do a little more.
All right.
Okay? That might be a lot for you in one day. Sometimes you just gotta, I used to be a saying in chiropractic school, find it, fix it, leave it alone. So once you find it, you do a little fix. And now I'm coming down the back. This is really good view. Like you're here, I'm here. Coming down the back, I'm pushing into the back. Okay, right in there, it gets a little tight. There we go. Nice, don't go yet. To the left. I'm gonna go in here. Got that one too. Check your little legs. Oh my gosh, bring that leg forward. Bring this. Oh, that one's tight, right? You feel how tight it is? That's your tight side. Alright, you keep that. Now try it. A little better. Good, one more time. It's still stuck. You didn't tell me it was stuck shoulder. There we go. Alright, let's try one more time. Bring that leg out. Point it at everybody watching. There you go. Good. Let's just check your range of motion. Your neck. Can you look up at the ceiling? A little tight in there. There we go. Now try it. There you go. Good. Let's check your lower back. 1 second. Almost done. Then we're going to let you sit down. There you go. All right, you're done, my dear. So ready? Do your little move. She's gone.
She's out of here.
All right, thanks. Leave a comment for Ava. Ava, you did so good. Come back later, okay? We'll see you soon. I think she went to the bathroom.
She run away.
Where you going, Ava?
She's not
Did you
coming.
hear that crack?
That was huge.